Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the camera's current firmware in menu info so you know if update is needed. This avoids unnecessary steps. Once done, make sure the battery is charged above 50% and insert a freshly formatted card or SSD to receive files. Next, download and install Blackmagic camera setup and desktop utility on your computer. These tools validate firmware and transfer it safely. Connect the camera via USB-C or remove the drive for direct writing. Doing this prevents. You now run the camera setup utility and select the downloaded firmware file. The tool checks signatures to ensure authenticity. Once selected, connect the camera via USB-C in camera mode or mount the media directly if you prefer writing the file to the card/SSD. Start the update and watch for progress indicators. The camera will reboot one or more times. Do not power off, remove media, or disconnect the cable during this stage. Interruptions can brick your device, which is why patience matters. You finish by checking menu info to confirm the new firmware version, and then restore any user settings or load a saved profile so your preferences return. If the camera asks, reformat the media to ensure compatibility. Make sure you back up footage first. If the update fails, try a different USB port or cable, re-download and verify the firmware file checksum, or reflash via a freshly formatted drive. If those steps fail, contact Blackmagic support for recovery instructions. Don't open the camera yourself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.